So this is my small terrace garden.
Kitchen.
Look at the kitchen, it's almost clean. So these are red spinach. I love this spinach very much. And I have received so many gifts for my birthday. I thought I can post a story in Insta asking who is Vipralohini. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunita. I'm back with a vlog. I'm going to make paneer fried rice for lunch today. So I thought of sharing that recipe with you all. So I'm done with my breakfast and I cleaned the kitchen after preparing breakfast and I washed all the vessels. Kitchen is almost clean. Before I start off with the recipe, I'm going to prepare black coffee for me and my husband. And also it's time for mid-morning snack for kids. So I'm going to give them pomegranate. So after I'm done with them, I'll just start preparing the recipe and I'll share the recipe. And look at the kitchen, it's almost clean. And I have washed all the vessels and I have kept it on this moda to dry. Tintu, 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 say hi.
Hi.
Wait. Say hi and good morning. Yeah. What did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for breakfast?
Kitchen.
Yes, so I made
Chutney.
chutney. I made idlis and chutney today for breakfast. Okay, so without further delay, let's get into the video. I'm going to soak some basmati rice. I'm using 3 cups of basmati rice today. I'm just going to rinse it in water for 2 or 3 times and then soak it in water. You can use any brands of basmati rice. They would have given instructions behind the pack. You can follow it. I'm just using the regular store-bought ones.
Mom. Oda munji telila.
I'm collecting this water to give it to my plants. So if you have a terrace garden or if you have garden at your home, do not waste this water. It gives good nutrients to your plants.
What good news?
What? So the black coffee is ready. Let's go to the terrace and then start off with the lunch. So this is my small terrace garden. If you are my Tamil channel viewers, you would have definitely known this. I'm just telling this again for any new viewers or any new English subscribers, those who are watching. Wow. Look at this. Jerry, inge paathiya? So these are red spinach. I love this spinach very much. They have germinated and it will take around 2 or 3 weeks for them to grow completely. So I'm just very excited. And the cabbage is also germinating. Okay, let's take a look at the other plants. And this one is radish and this is spring onion. We'll take this for fried rice today, maybe 2 or 3 leaves. These are small red turnips.
Anna na paakave illa.
Ennadadi tangom?
Anna iduva.
And look at our grapes.
Anna na paakave illa. Mom.
Watch it, kutti.
Anna na paakave illa.
Enna paakladi tango. And there's one small baby watermelon. Let's see if this survives. And I have a small sweet lime plant here. This is a lemon plant and there are many lemons here, but they are yet to ripe. And this is a baby orange plant. And look at this fig plant. And this is basil. I have sown some flowering plant seeds here. Let's see if it germinates. I have 3 different rose collections which I got as a gift. I just repotted them to these pots. Let's see if it grows. The soil is wet, so I'm not going to water the plants now. Let's water them in the evening. And look at this. Whenever I see this, I get the feel of a bouquet. Let me know if you feel the same in the comment section below. Wow, it's so beautiful. And also let me know how many of you like the color yellow. Say I love you to the plant. Tintuma.
Love you, love you. Love you. Love you.
I have kept some water to cook rice, so let it come to a boil. And meanwhile, the cabinets look dirty for some reason. I'm not sure if you can see. Okay, so it's, yeah. I hope you can see it here. So I'm just going to clean it using the regular all-purpose cleaner. So I just clean it then and there so that it would be easier for me to maintain. This is a mix of water, vinegar and dishwashing liquid. You can use any dishwashing liquid or also kitchen cleaners like Lysol or any other cleaners, Cif. So now this is the right time to add the soaked rice. I'm going to add generous amount of salt first. And also I'm adding a teaspoon of olive oil so that the rice will not stick to each other. You can add regular oil as well, that is the refined oil. Now it's time to add the soaked rice. And it will take around 4 or 5 minutes. So keep an eye on it. Do not let it to overcook. And after adding rice, it should be on high flame. If we keep it on low flame, there are chances for the rice to soak in the water and break easily. I'm going to show you an easy way to take the pomegranate seeds. I'm just going to cut it into half. Do not cut it through completely. Give it a little twist. That's it, it's opened. Using the handle of the knife, just give it a tap. The seeds of the pomegranate will fall off. And I guess most of them will follow this trick. If you haven't known this or if you haven't tried this, definitely give it a try. It is the most easiest way. So look at this. So try this method and let me know if it was easier for you. And the rice is almost done. It will be ready in the next 1 or 2 minutes. The rice is perfectly cooked now. It should be like around 80% done, not completely, because it is again going to be cooked in the fried rice that we are going to make. Fried rice or whatever it is, even if you are making this for biryani or any other rice, this is the exact consistency. It should be soft, but it should not break easily. So I'm just going to drain the excess water. I have taken 400 grams of paneer and I have cut them into cubes. Now let's season this. I'm adding salt as required. Half a teaspoon of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and a teaspoon of tomato chili sauce. So mix all this well. Just toss it so that it would be evenly coated. And now we are going to shallow fry this on a tawa for just 1 minute so that it gets that wonderful flavor and also the crunchiness when we add it to the fried rice. I have added a teaspoon of oil to a kadai and now I am going to add the marinated paneer. When the paneer is getting ready, I am also going to chop all the vegetables that are required. You can use beans, carrot or any veggies like capsicum if you have. I do not have any vegetables right now, so I'm just going to use paneer, corn and onions. Now I am chopping 7 to 8 garlic cloves very finely. So add as many garlic as you like, so it gives a wonderful flavor to the recipe. You can also add ginger garlic paste instead of this. And now let's start preparing the recipe. I have kept a huge wok. You can also use a bigger kadai to make this. So let this heat up. I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of oil. So now the oil is hot. I'm going to add the chopped garlic and also 2 green chilies that I have roughly chopped. It should be on high flame. And now I'm going to add the sliced onions. Ensure the garlic doesn't burn. Saute this on high flame for around 30 to 40 seconds. That should be enough. We still need the crunchiness of the onions to be in the recipe. And now I'm going to add half a cup of frozen sweet corn. If you're adding any other vegetables like beans, carrot or capsicum, you can add it at this stage. And now at this stage, lower the flame and add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Szechuan sauce. This is optional. If you want your recipe to be spicy, you can add this, else you can ignore this. And 2 teaspoons of tomato chili sauce. And now I'm going to add the boiled rice. A teaspoon of white pepper powder. You can add salt if required. And also I'm going to add the paneer which we have tossed. Just look at the color, it looks beautiful. You can taste this at this stage, and if you want to add salt or spice, you can add it at this stage. And now this is almost ready. I'm going to cook this on high flame for around 1 or 2 minutes just to get that smoky flavor. You can also add vinegar or lemon juice for the tanginess. But I personally don't like lemon juice or vinegar in my fried rice or noodles, so I'm not adding it. I'm quickly going to clean up my kitchen space so that I can peacefully have my lunch. So I'm going to quickly do all my vessels and then give my countertop a quick wipe. So the kitchen is sparkling clean now. I have collected all the waste in this bowl. So I'll discard this later. And now it's time for a peaceful lunch. And this is my lunch. I have plated in a bowl to take few snaps for my Instagram page. So I'll give you the link of my Instagram page in the description box and also in the pinned section. And if you would like to check my page, please check it out. And now it's time for some Instagram pictures. And now the time is around 3. We had our lunch and I was taking a rest for around 30 minutes. And then I started teaching the kids. They had their online assessment and also their homeworks. Tintu is playing and Jerry and Gudia are as always, they are doing their homework. And after they are done with their homework, I'll check if I can do some snacks. And if I'm doing any snacks and if it is a different one, I'll definitely share the recipe with you all. Jerry, ready?
What?
So Jerry is having his reading assessment now. What are you going to do?
I'm going to read Tirukural and poem.
So Gudia is doing her max homework. And I have received so many gifts for my birthday and for Tintu's birthday actually. One of our subscriber and her name is Vipra Lohini. I didn't remember sending her my address. I was just like, who is sending me all these gifts? I was into total confusion. I received the first package on July 4th. July 31st. That is on Tintu's birthday. It was a customized t-shirt for me, for Tintu and also for my husband. And it had best husband, best mom, best dad, best mom and best daughter quote in it. We were like very happy seeing that, but I was under a total confusion on who sent it and I was not able to recollect the name because her Insta name is PVIPY something like that and it was mentioned as Vipra Lohini. And then I just got convinced maybe some like business people or somebody is sending that t-shirt and I was under that assumption. And later yesterday I received one jumpsuit. I was like, wow. And I know it is definitely one of a subscriber because I have mentioned in one of my videos in my Tamil channel that I like wearing jumpsuit but I haven't yet tried one. So she saw that video and she knows that I wanted to try a jumpsuit. So she sent me a jumpsuit. I was very surprised and I didn't know again. Then I was under total confusion. And today I received 3-4 packages. One had another jumpsuit, and the other two packages had one frock for Tintu and also one jumpsuit for Tintu.
Yeah.
I was very shocked. Then, thankfully, when I thought I can post a story in Insta asking who is Vipra Lohini, and I went to Insta and I saw her message, and I was like, okay, she's a known person, and I didn't get her name correctly. And I'm really thankful. I'll try to share them with you all. They are all so lovely. I was really shocked and I was very happy to receive so much lovable gifts from her. Not only from her, there were many people who wished us on our birthday, and I'm very happy about it. Um, I don't know. I'm out of words. I'm very thankful to you all. Thank you so much for all your love and support. She has still ordered few gifts for Tintu and they are yet to arrive. She sent me a screenshot. I'm out of words truly. Thank you so much for all the gifts that you have sent me. If in case you're watching this video, thank you so much. I'll definitely share them with you all. They were so beautiful. Tintu, like we were trying on the dresses. Tintu was so pretty in the frock. I'll try to add a picture of her frock. And now let the kids finish their homework and then I'll share all the dresses and the gifts that she has sent to me. Okay? Tintu, யாரு இது? நீ யாரு?
Princess.
அது யாரு?
Good luck.
அழகா இருக்கீங்களே. Thank you சொல்லுங்க. Thank you.
Thank you.
ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு சொல்லுங்க.
Very much.
நின்னு காட்டுங்க. பிரின்சஸ் கீழே இறங்குங்க. ஓ pretty princess. அழகா இருக்கீங்களே.
இட்லி தான் இருக்கோ.
So these are few gifts from her. I have displayed it on my bed. So this is the cute little frog that she has gifted to Tintu. It was very pretty on Tintu. I guess it is made out of satin cloth. It's a simple frog, but it gives a grand look when she wears it. There's a bow here.
More.
What?
பிச்சிட்டாங்க.
What is this, Tintu?
Tape.
What are you doing? And this is one of my jumpsuit. It is a very simple one. It is in polyester material, I believe. It is in striped pattern. It is a very simple and elegant one. I'll definitely style all these in one of my videos and then show you. And this is a jumpsuit for Tintu. Look at this. It is very, very pretty. There's a belt here and also it has some buttons over here. And this is another jumpsuit of mine. It's a very plain one. It's very comfy when I wear it, and they have given a elastic kind of belt here. So it gives you a structure when you wear it. It is a cold shoulder top and it fits me perfectly. I'm really excited to wear and show it to you guys. And thank you so much Vipra Lohini for all these gifts, and I really love them. Let me know in the comment section which dress you like the most. And we came here to the terrace to spend some time because I guess it's gonna rain, so we thought we'll spend some time around 30 minutes in the terrace. Kids will play here. We are also going to drink our tea and then enjoy peacefully. After 6, I might have some editing works. I'll have to edit this video and upload it tomorrow. I'm planning to upload it tomorrow because it's been a month since I uploaded a video in this channel. Hopefully I will upload this video tomorrow. So that's it. I'm not going to make this vlog lengthier. So I'll stop it here. Maybe in the future, when I'm used to recording English vlogs, I'll definitely vlog lengthier videos for you guys. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video in the comment section below, and also let me know which portion, like in the terrace garden or my cooking or the shopping haul or the kind of dresses that I showed. Let me know which portion you enjoyed a lot so that I can include such kind of informations in my future vlogs too. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting video or another interesting concept. Until then, take care. Bye.
Bye.
So as it is raining, these baby spinach plants might get hurt and it might not grow. Actually, rainy season is not the...
Oh my god.
Wait, Jerry, wait. Actually, rainy season is not the best time to grow spinach, but I actually want it to grow so that we can get it from our terrace garden itself to eat. So that is the reason I planted this. Anyways, I hope this will not this will survive this rain. Let's see, tomorrow maybe I'll plan some other ideas and I'll ensure that this is safely kept. Until then, let this be here safely. I'll keep updating about this growth in my future vlogs too. So please do stay tuned. So it has already started to rain, so we'll have to go down. Unfortunately, we'll not be able to play today. That's okay. Maybe in the future vlogs I'll cover playing in the terrace as well. Okay, bye.
Bye. Think to say bye.